Hey guys, today we're showing SpongeBob hiccup pluge memes. People can't be writing memes in SpongeBob episodes, so I'm gonna do that too. Look at that. The first one is when you realize you did a tattoo of mother without the ER. That's what happens. And that's realizing you're screaming and freaking out. You can't just and why you haven't do it. Okay. Well, the next one is when you try to hide your takings for your parents. This is my hiccup trips. When you're trying to hide them, how your parents don't see it. This is the face you make when you drink milk, but then you look in the bottle. It expired a month ago. That's what happened. See that? It makes my face go. That's so good. When an enemy tries to wait for you. This one. That's what the face you make. The enemy, not you. This is when you start a fight with your enemy. See? You start a fight with your enemy. You're scheming. You're doing a scheming face. And then the next meme is when you try to lie to your parents about getting an A instead of an F. That's the way you're like. That's what the face you make. You try to lie to your parents. When you figure out school is closed. That's when you figure out when school is closed. You're just looking at the school and it's closed.
What is with you and breastfeeding?
When you try to look similar. This is that the feeling you try to look similar. See? Don't look similar. See? And this one's the face you make when your mom tells you to wash the dishes well. She goes to the grocery store and you haven't done them yet. And then you see the doorknob opening. That's the face you make because it's freaking out because you don't want a doorknob opening. Well, you have. When you see hate comments everywhere, that's the face you make. You see hate comments everywhere. Yeah. When your mom sees you playing video games instead of doing online school. Yeah. Mama's like, what? Why are you just playing video games? That's how you catch you. When you're watching basketball games, then you see your door not opening. That's the face you make. Yeah. I love that. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Okay. It says, this one is when you sleep during homework time. You see doing a sleepy face. And your parents are seeing you sleep. That's the face you make when you have a hard time. That's all my SpongeBob.